it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another cooking with Chloe. Technically, maybe not. I'm not technically cooking anything today. I'm building something. We're gonna tackle this bad boy today. This is a gingerbread house. I've tried to make this, I think, once on my channel before. Didn't go well. It never goes well at all. This is from Safeway. It's much smaller than the ones we usually get. We all know that the icing in these bad boys does not really work out. So Mum bought me some Betty Crocker Classic. So just in case it doesn't work. But we're gonna try this today, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. I don't even know what's gonna happen. We're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna have a second ankle as well, so you're gonna get all the bits and bobs, so don't stress about that. But when I'm uploading this, it's Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve. Is that what people say? I don't know. Happy Christmas Eve, and also an early Merry Christmas for you guys. But if you want to know how this gingerbread turns out, just keep on watching, and let's hope I don't break it all with frustration. What I'm going to do really quickly is set up my phone. I've just started filming on my phone, so you can see in the corner what my phone's looking at and what you can see on the bench. Let me cut this bad boy open. There was another one where you can build your own tree, but it just looks like too much work, so I opted for the bloody house. We're going to take everything out. Holy shit, is that it? So we have instructions. Not that anyone really reads that, right? Okay. We have the very, very small base, but I think it is a very small house, so I think I'll be good. This is what we have. We have the icing, the lollies in this one little thing. As I can see, there is no breakage. We have a bag of very, very hard icing, so that's going to end up well. We have the lollies. That's not a lot of lollies. Okay, we have some knockoff M&M Smarties. We have 4 little gummy Christmas trees. Just 4 of them. Not that we need more. And then we have the same gummies, but squares, I guess. Oh, this smells nice, not gonna lie. And then we have the actual gingerbread here. This is a cardboard thing. I might keep this to put the base on, so it's a little bit more sturdier, because I don't really trust this. So we have the 2 front and back pieces. We have the 2 windows, and I believe this is the roof. So you can tell in the other camera it's pretty small. I'm actually pretty excited. But these are the instructions. So these are all the pieces we got. Step 1. Lay out the pieces as shown. If you need help identifying the pieces, simply refer to the back of the box. Okay, I'm going to open all of these and just lay them out. I hope I don't break them in the process. Ooh. But I have everything laid out, and I think we're going to start. Step 2. Massage the icing pouch for 1 minute. That's not going to work. To ensure a smooth consistency before decorating. Place in a bowl of warm water to soften. If it doesn't work, snip a small piece off the end of the icing pouch, ensuring not to cut too much. Now, by experience, these bags, I haven't had this brand before. Usually it's like from Costco, but usually these come out really goddamn slow. So I'm just massaging it. Didn't think I was going to be doing this today, but well, here we are. Step 3. Ready to go? Absolutely not. We'll start by icing all the panels and the roof with white icing as shown. Mind you, these pictures are tiny as all shit. How am I meant to see all the detail in that? Also, they want you to decorate it before putting it together. Okay, they like to begin decorating, start decorating it, and then put the pieces together. Should we do it that way? I don't think we should do it that way. I think we're gonna not read the instructions properly and do it the normal way. Because that to me is a bit odd, because you just ruin when you touch it, unless you let it dry for like 4 hours. To assemble, pipe some of the icing into the groove of the white tray. Ice the inner edge of the wall as shown. Place front panels and side panels into the base. Hold together for a couple of minutes to ensure it's secure. Okay, that sounds like fun. I'm just going to first cut open this icing, and we're going to give it a taste test, obviously. Ow. It's good because this top isn't open, so the icing ain't going to pop out of the top. Can I get some, please? That's so hard. Jesus. How far down do I have to push it to get the icing out? Does anyone successfully make gingerbread houses like on this platform? Like anyone on YouTube? Oh my god, I can't even get it. Let me taste some. That's so hard. Ooh. Oh, okay. I'm grabbing my base. I'm gonna start putting icing in the little square area, I'm guessing. At this point, it's kind of just a guessing game. Look how thick this is. And you wanted me to cut a small hole? Yeah, okay. That is intense. Okay, I think I have a spatula, so I might grab that. I'm just gonna steal a bit more icing. Tastes kind of not the best, but whatever. So this is just like a little icing kit that I got from a Kmart ages ago. There is a little icing spatula in here. I'm gonna use that. I'm just gonna kind of squish this down. It's so thick. Like, it's not even sticking to the spatula. So how the fudge is it gonna stick to a goddamn gingerbread? Which smells lovely, by the way. Like, I know some people can make these look pretty. Making them look pretty is great, but building it first is a pain in the bum hole. Oh, okay. It's not really working out for me, guys. This is gonna be disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna put some on the actual house itself. But what I'm gonna do for that, I'm gonna actually use Betty Crocker, because I can use a spatula and just paint it on. This is just a Betty Crocker one. Like, it already seems more thinner. It's just easier. And it tastes better too. So I'm gonna grab my little house and just apply icing at the bottom bits. See how much easier this maybe isn't? Let's do it this side. This camera angle is kind of bad. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to grab my little thingy and just stick it. Oh my god, that's going to look so bad. I'm going to stick it in there, and then I'm going to do a corner piece. Is that what they're telling me to do? I'm going to keep this here because, like, it's not going to stay up straight. Is that pretty? It's not, but it's fine. This is not going to end well.
Doesn't look sound like it started well either.
No, it's not. I'm going to add icing to this end so it sticks to, you get what I mean. You get the point. Mum's here for moral support, but honestly, the entire family, I told Dad I was doing this, and he's like, it's not going to go well. I'm like, I know. So there's the icing. Oh, I've got to add to the bottom as well. Jesus, Chloe. I'm going to add it to the bottom. Oh my god. Oh, I just screwed that up. Does this dry hard? Does anyone know? I just like covered the heart in icing. Okay, we're fine. We're living our life. So I'm going to put this right here. Is that how it goes? Is that fitting? I don't know. Oh, I think it's working. It's okay. It's on the thing. Okay, it's not my fault. It's going kind of well. I'm gonna do this one now. See how small it is? I thought it was gonna be easier. So I'm just gonna apply this to that, and we're just gonna try our best to actually get this shit done.
What are you making? What are you trying to make?
My new home.
Hi everyone.
I suppose I have to, yeah.
What's happening? What is going on? I'm just trying to build a gingerbread house.
Put your mask on.
Stop! Oh my god. So I'm gonna put this here. Corey, I swear to god. Okay, that's not too bad. It's the roof that I'm really scared of. So I'm gonna add the last front or back. I don't even know what this is at this point.
You know, a bit bad wolf, yes.
Do you want me to die?
Leave you alone.
Thanks so much for the support, Wolf. This is terrible. And I'm dropping icing everywhere. And look how technical I'm trying to be. I'm dropping icing everywhere. I really hope it tastes nice. Now I'm going to add the last door front. I don't even know what it is at this point. And we're just going to hold it for a couple minutes, the instructions say. That's what it looks like. Oh my god. That's not too bad. Could be worse, right? Someone tell me it's okay. So I'm just going to hold this for a little bit and just talk to Mum. Yeah, hi. How's your day going? You haven't made a gingerbread house today?
No.
Do you want to?
No.
Do you want to help someone that's making one, hypothetically?
No, would you need help?
No, I didn't. No, it's not about me. Didn't say it's about me.
That's a bloody big roof. Where the hell's it gonna hold?
With a lot of hopes and dreams and a lot of goddamn frosting and a lot of patience, which I don't really have today. Now for the roof, step 6. Ice a thick line across the top edges and attach the roof panels. Hold them in place for a couple minutes until secure. The pictures don't do it justice. I have no idea what the hell it's doing. So I have to line here and here, I believe. I don't think the roof's gonna touch the little heart part here. So it's just this roof part, I'm guessing. I don't bloody know at this point, guys. It just falls off, mate. Bloody hell. Okay, back to Betty Crocker then. We're gonna do this with a light hand. But at this point, I don't really care if it looks terrible. I just really want it to stay up. Because I don't think I've ever made a gingerbread house that has like stayed up. I'm just doing the other side now, so just please forgive me that you can't actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm grabbing the roof and just dumping a whole lot of Betty Crocker on that shit. What I'm gonna try and do is stick a piece of roof on this gingerbread house. That's definitely not gonna effing stay. Are you kidding me? Okay. Looks like shit from the front, but they can just do the back. Look at that in the other camera. That's not too shabby. But what I think I'm gonna plan to do is put it in the fridge to just set it all completely, because this shit ain't gonna hold if I decorate it. I'm gonna add icing here. It really should be easier using this, but this shit doesn't blend. So at this point, I just don't know anymore. I'm probably just gonna use my effing finger. Like, it's just so thick. But it looks like bloody paint filler. Oh, it's falling apart. Ah! We're doing fine. Physically, doesn't look that cute. But probably mentally, he's probably very happy. It's kind of hideous, but like, it's like Kind of cute. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. What time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock, so I might come back in like maybe 20 minutes just to check on it, and then we'll see how far we are, and then we can actually finally start decorating, I guess. See you guys in like 20 minutes. Maybe this icing will be gone by then, but who knows?
Pick it up.
I did that.
Hang on, let me so
Back off! Hi everyone, I'm back. So, it's been like 20 minutes maybe. Little Miss Gingerbread House is doing well. It's pretty decent. Now it's the struggle city of actually decorating it. They don't really give you that many items. We're just gonna try. But I'm gonna start with this top area here because I feel like it's the easiest. I'm gonna add the little jubies they give me. I might eat one. Ooh. So I'm just gonna start sticking these on. Oh my god, this is actually working. What the hell? Mom, I'm getting somewhere. I have 3 lollies on top. It's a Christmas miracle. This is so fun when it's not falling apart and breaking on you. Like, this is so much fun decorating it. I think we're gonna start with the roof. With the roof, they give you the swirls, but I don't really know if I want to follow the swirls because like I can't pipe shit with this. Just grab the little Christmas trees and I'm gonna add them like here, like right next to the door. I'm gonna get my little spatchy and grab a little bit of the frosting, just pop that on the back of it. So I'm just gonna stick this on the front of the house. Oh, that looks like shit. And I'll add the green one because, you know, Christmas vibes. I'm gonna do the same thing, the green one, and I'm just gonna stick it on the other side. That looks like shit. At this point, I don't care. I just like that it's standing up. That's like the only thing I really care about. I'm gonna try and do this roof. I don't know what to do though. Like on the box, they do crisscross. Maybe I could do that. Oh my god, I have the little tools. Oh my god, you idiot. I'm gonna use this little tool. It's more for like cookies and shit, but I'm using it for icing to trace the little swirls. Is that what you call it? I don't know. On the roof. So again, I'm just using Betty Crocker because it's a lot friggin' easier. I'm just gonna keep going across this line and try and make it look cute. I just hope my M&M things fit. I might try them out. So these are not really M&Ms. If you cut M&Ms in half, this is what they look like. Oh, they kind of smell like tea. Why do they smell like tea? It smells like a tea bag. I'm gonna taste one. Nope. Ew. Absolutely not. What the hell is that? Thankfully, Mr. Santa Claus has come prepared. This is filled with red and green M&Ms and I'm going to use this to decorate it. I'm just going to start putting these on the icing. Is that cute? I don't know. This is what's happening. I just want to decorate it like kind of shitly. I cannot make it look cute. I know other people can, but I cannot make this look cute, okay? If you can hear the boys in the next room, I apologize. They're playing a game. There's one line. So I'm going to continue doing this all the way down, like 4 rows of this. I'm going to speed this up in the other camera because it's just going to be a lot cuter. We'll come back and we'll see where this looks like shit. But at this point, I just want it to actually stay up. Does it look bad? I haven't seen it really. Okay, it doesn't look the worst. I'm just gonna ignore the back. I don't really want to do anything to the back. Not gonna do that. But it's not too bad. Oh, okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Just got a bunch of frosting and just did a line. It was a lot easier than doing the little tool. And then I grabbed my colored M&Ms and just stick them on in red and green order. Like so. Honestly, it does not have to be perfect because, again, I don't care. I just want it to be on the goddamn gingerbread house. It looks cute, not gonna lie, it looks cool. Oh, one just fell off. Not too bad. Like, you gotta keep in mind, this is like my first time decorating a gingerbread house properly. It's actually like staying up. I think I'm doing pretty well. That's a lot of frosting though. Oh my god, I keep dropping them. I didn't think this was gonna work, so at this point everything's surprising me. Honestly, it's staying up, which I am so proud of. Look at that. Look at my little house. Oh my god, that's so fun. Okay, so now I think all I really want to do is just finish the front. I'm not gonna do the sides or anything. What I'm gonna do is grab the icing and put it on here. So we're just gonna add, I don't know, however many it's gonna effing hold. I don't really know. I don't know if it's gonna stay though, that's the thing. Not too shabby. The fact that, oh, that fell. Oh my god. Mom, look, I have a gingerbread house. Yeah, I think I'm done. So I'm going to use my phone and do like a 360 view. This is the front. And then we're just moving side to side. This is whatever side that is. The back's not done because nope. That's the other side. And then that's the front and then that's the top with little jellies. Realistically, I didn't do a bad job. I think I did a pretty decent job if you ask me. I'm pretty darn proud of myself. It looks like shit, but I'm just excited that it's staying up and looking kind of cute. This is the end result. I did a pretty good job if you ask me. For someone that's never done one before, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah. Do you like it, Mum? I'm now done. I'm tired, but it's a bloody gingerbread house. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's the best you've done.
It's the only one that stayed up. We're gonna eat it all, not the voice.
Yeah. This is well, I got M&M's then.
Do you want to actually know? I'm going to make you taste the shit that they gave you. So first of all, I think I showed
What the hell was that?
They smell like a tea bag.
Oh, I do too. It's what are those little? I forgot what they're called.
Oh, what? I didn't do anything. I've taken enough thumbnails to last me 12 years. I think we should taste it. I don't know. How do I break it? Boys, do you want some?
No instructions, do you? You don't. Sit back and admire your work of art. Don't eat it, just sit back and admire it.
Well, I have for 45 minutes. Now can I eat it?
Yeah, okay. How long do you have on this?
Sorry?
Happy birthday.
To Jesus.
There you go.
No, that's a lolly.
Oh, just shut.
Bite it! Why'd you break it off?
Thought you were supposed to break it off. Oh well. I'm off me. Where's that one go? Oh, what? I still got my fingers.
It's very nice. Was it worth it? I don't know. Is it tasty? Not really, but I made a gingerbread house. That's all that matters. Very gingery. Did you like it? Was it a fun experience for you to watch me do it?
Yeah.
It's currently a mess, but that was the point. Shout out to Betty Crocker. That is the end of this video, guys. This is actually pretty fun to do, not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be kind of shit because I thought it was gonna fall instantly. I think if you get a much smaller house, you're pretty good, but if you get a bigger house like I did a couple years back, you're basically instantly just not gonna be able to build one. I'm just grateful I actually was able to build a gingerbread house. I'm so glad I filmed this and I can have the experience of actually saying that I built a gingerbread house. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. If you are new here, please subscribe. I make 2 videos a week for you guys every Monday and Thursday. Merry Christmas, because this is going up on Christmas Eve. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas holiday, or just a holiday in general if you don't celebrate, and just spend time with the people you love and stay safe and all that jazz. So I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. All my social media links are linked down below, and everything I've mentioned will be linked down below as well. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas, and that's pretty much it. You want to say Merry Christmas, Mom? Merry Christmas. Bye guys.